Andrea, I'm curious on, you joined in 2022. Bitcoin endured a pretty brutal bear market. MicroStrategy being levered beta Bitcoin, suffered even worse temporarily. Has since fully recovered and hit new highs. So, at the same time, MicroStrategy has hosted multiple Bitcoin for Corporations events. So I guess just behind the scenes, whatever you can share, what has the conversation been like, and how has that evolved for prospective corporations, institutions that are looking to invest in your company, the financing third parties that you work with? Just like how has the conversation evolved since the start of 2022 to today?
I think it's evolved with sort of the Bitcoin backdrop, which has improved significantly this year. I'd say, in that bear market, things were challenging, and we had some tough conversations. But I can tell you that whether it's a third party or a customer of our software business, vendor risk management type focuses, we had a lot of those conversations. But when we came out of those conversations, people, even those that weren't fully committed to Bitcoin, understood why we were doing it and understood how we were doing it in a prudent, risk-managed manner. And so I think the experience of that was just being transparent and simple, especially when times are tough, adds value and adds a benefit to perception when you're outside looking in. I'd say today, 2024 in particular, with a lot of the progress we made around the regulatory clarity, the approval of the ETFs, now we've got large financial institutions like BlackRock not only selling an ETF product, but championing the purpose and the validity and the value of Bitcoin. I think those things will continue to shift. I think if we're sitting here a year from now, I think that will continue to improve. I think there will be more companies adopting Bitcoin. There's 3 of us here today. There's probably going to be 6 or 12 next year, so hopefully I'm still invited if there's room on the stage.
Yeah.
But I think those movements, those improvements, the maturity of the ecosystem are all lending itself for people to be more accepting of it. And when you step back and look at the value that's been created for MicroStrategy and that has been created by Semler and others that will continue to show and demonstrate that, I think people will further get it.